Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 6.17, and in this question it is given to you the bob capital A of a pendulum released from 30 degree to vertical hits another bob B of same mass at rest at a table as shown in a figure. Clear? Now we have to calculate how high does the bob A rises after the collision. Clear? Now first of all let us try to understand. Actually if we are concentrating on this bob, clear? So what are the external force acting? We can say here external force acting, that is gravitational force mg. Clear? It means we can say here, yes, definitely you can say sir here we have a tension also, but tension we can treat as an internal force. Clear? And always keep in mind whenever this bob is going like this, clear? So tension and direction of a displacement, that is always perpendicular to each other. So we can say work done by internal force is 0 in this case. Clear? So now we can say when this bob is moving under the influence of gravitational force, means under the influence of conservative force, at that time we can say its total energy remains conserved, or we can say mechanical energy conserved. So when mechanical energy is conserved, it means we can say here potential energy of this bob is converting into kinetic energy at position B. Clear? So directly you can say, let's suppose I am assuming this height h. Clear? So we can directly say mgh, this should be equal to half of mv square. So from here you can say we can write v equal to under root of twice gh. Clear? But what will happen if we assume collision is to be elastic? Clear? So definitely this bob will reach up to point B with certain velocity v, and because this bob is at rest, so when it will collides, when bob A collides with ball B, at the time we can say this A come to rest, and we can say this bob B, or we can say this ball that we situated at position B, it will move in a upward direction with the same height. Clear? So now we can say this will happen. Clear? Here we can say in the next situation what will happen, let us try to understand. In this situation you can say here we will find a bob. Clear? So this bob will come at rest, and finally I can say this ball B is moving with a certain velocity v. Clear? So this will happen whenever we are talking about elastic collision. Now you can say sir how this happen? You can apply here conservation of linear momentum, or you can also apply here conservation of energy, or we can say kinetic energy before collision and kinetic energy after collision, it should be same. Clear? So this is all about this question.